gosh, I just love Sean because I can relate to your energy and enthusiasm and desire so much to do this because I've worked so hard at a career that I thought was my everything. And once you attain that everything, you're consumed by it and have no free time. Whenever I take time, I was a court reporter for 30 years working with lawyers. And I just 3 months ago said, enough. And I've dove into this with both feet. And going to convention was amazingly inspiring, knowing that I can do it with a team. And my everything really is the support and Team X88. Because I'm not a marketer. I just listened to people and worked hard. And now I see that I can have a life. I don't have to take my laptop with me everywhere I go and try and email work to people that are waiting for it. And now I can actually walk around and share chocolate and people want to know about it and people are happy. And impacting other people to have the ability to make money, it's just, the possibilities are mind-boggling to me. The possibilities of having a product that is not ending. The company is building more and more, and I'm just inspired to be working with people and not be stuck in an office 24/7. So.